Hi, good evening guys. Today I'd like to show you how to build a CCIE topology based on the topology that you can see on my screen now, on your screen now. So let's say I've already recorded a video how to build that topology, which is on YouTube. So if you go to your let's say if you go to CCIE for all in your Google and click on Tonjimbiki's CCIE blog, then click on YouTube channel. That's going to take you to the YouTube channel, which where I have 3 different videos about how to build CCIE GNS topology, CCIP BGP GNS topology, and MPLS CCIP GNS topology. So basically, this video is going to show you how to, from that setup, how to practice literally almost any lab scenario you can find on the internet. So what I've decided to do, just go to your Google and type in literally CCIE topology. That's gonna check you that's gonna open up another window basically that looks like this. From there, click on images, and that's gonna show you basically different CCIE topologies. So let's say as you can see, what we have here is some, or let's say this one is some INE setup for the CCIE studies. There's some, I've already seen somewhere this CBT nuggets as well, somewhere I'm sure. INE setup. What else do we have? Hang on, let's start from the top. This is our topology, as you can see. Hang on. What's the window? So this is our topology, as you can see. Yep. No, we don't want VMware. Okay. If you click on that, basically that's going to take you back to the blog, where that topology is. I've explained how to configure. So what we have, this is our topology. This is again INE topology that they use in a series for the CCIE candidates. Oh, look at that. This is a CBT nuggets with Jeremy Chower, I believe. Yeah, it looks like it. Is it? No, we don't want to save this. Okay, got my VMware open still for some reason. So let's close this window. Okay, yeah, this is the CCIE setup that Jeremy Chower and CBT Nuggets uses for his teaching. What else? So now this is our setup. So let's say if I was to now, this is what I call a perfect topology. So what I mean by that is from that you will be able to practice almost literally any you will basically just set up to configure any scenario that you can see on screen now. You can, so basically instead of having all those, you see all those topologies there, there's a lot. I mean, there could be a few hundred basically. Instead of having, instead of configuring basically every single topology separately in your GNS3 and having all those lab scenarios, you can simply have this one file, and from that you can build literally anything. So if I was to practice, which one was it? Let's say if I was to go, which one looks good? That one. I was to open this one, if I was to practice this one, just click on it. That's going to take you to some blog of some person, and let's say I want to set up that. Well, how do I go about this? Well, let's see. Let me see basically how much time do I have left, because I know for a fact that I'm only allowed to record 10 minutes each time, which I think of the, how do I check my time? I'm not sure. Show recording toolbar. 5:43, 5:40. Okay, so I still have 4 minutes left, which means basically I will split that video into 3 or 4 videos, different videos. So if I was to set this one up, what I need to do, power up your GNS3, build your topology based on, by the way, you can build that topology if you go to CCIE4all.wordpress.com. That's going to take you to Tom Jambicki's CCIE blog. From there, you type in CCIE in search, go, cool. It's going to take you to the actual topology, how to set it up. I've explained basically, briefly, how to set it up. So let's say you've got this set up on your machine. As you can see, I've got all this device already, that topology already powered up. My processor is actually to the 85%, but that's only because I'm actually recording at the same time, and the tool that I'm using to record that video is called Microsoft Expression Encoder 4, which basically needs a lot of processing. That's the only reason why my processor is at that level. So let's do that. First, check how many devices do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that correct? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 devices. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. 8. Perfect. It should be root 9 somewhere to 9. And this one we can go for. We can have basically BB1 acting as an ISP. So we have all our routers, BB1 acting as an ISP, which should be fine. Gonna show you how to set this up from scratch. So I have no config whatsoever at the moment on any of those devices. So if you go to row 1, let's say what's row 1. You see, it's a little blank. Nothing, no interfaces. All the interfaces are shut down. There's no config. So I've just what I've just done basically. I've just powered this topology and powered on this topology and with no config on it, nothing at all. So if I was to build this lab now, what do I have to do? Okay, let's see.